Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discount of up to 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up the 4 best Endoscope Camera on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 4. This dual-lens endoscope camera is a reliable and high-quality inspection tool designed for both professionals and DIY users. With a sharp 1920p HD resolution, it delivers clear, detailed images that make it easy to identify problems in pipes, drains, engines, and tight spaces. The dual-lens design allows seamless switching between front and side views, reducing the need to reposition the camera. 8 adjustable LED lights provide excellent illumination in dark or enclosed areas. Its 16.4-foot semi-rigid cable offers smooth maneuverability while maintaining precise control during inspections. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures safe use in wet environments. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, it connects easily for real-time viewing and recording. Overall, this Borescope offers great image quality, flexibility, and durability, making it a practical and valuable inspection solution. Number 3. The 1080p inspection camera with light is a convenient and versatile tool for both DIY users and professionals. Its 1080p camera captures clear, detailed images, making it easy to inspect pipes, drains, engines, walls, and other hard-to-reach spaces. The bright 4.3-inch IPS screen provides sharp, real-time viewing from multiple angles, with no app or smartphone required. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it ensures excellent visibility in dark or enclosed areas. The 16.4-foot semi-rigid cable offers the right balance of flexibility and control, allowing smooth navigation through narrow spaces. With its IP67 waterproof rating, this Borescope can handle wet environments with confidence. Simple to operate and ready to use out of the box, it's a cool, practical gadget that delivers reliable performance and great value. Number 2. This endoscope camera with light is a practical and efficient inspection tool for home users, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a sharp 1920p HD resolution, it delivers clear and detailed images, making it easy to spot issues inside pipes, walls, engines, or tight spaces. The single-lens camera is supported by 8 adjustable LED lights, providing excellent illumination even in completely dark environments. Its 16.4-foot semi-rigid snake cable offers the perfect balance of flexibility and control, allowing smooth navigation through narrow or curved areas. Designed for both iOS and Android devices, it connects easily to smartphones for real-time viewing and recording. Lightweight and easy to use, this Borescope is ideal for routine inspections, maintenance, and repairs. Overall, it offers reliable performance, good image quality, and great value for everyday inspection tasks. Number 1. The DEPSTECH dual-lens industrial endoscope is a powerful and user-friendly inspection tool designed for both professionals and DIY users. Its 1080p resolution delivers clear, detailed images, while the dual-lens design allows easy front and side viewing without repositioning the camera. The 7.9mm waterproof probe makes it ideal for inspecting pipes, drains, engines, and hard-to-reach areas, even in wet conditions. The 4.3-inch LCD screen provides real-time viewing with no need for a smartphone or app. 7 adjustable LED lights ensure excellent visibility in dark spaces, and the 16.5-foot semi-rigid cable offers flexibility with precise control. With a built-in 32GB memory card, capturing photos and videos is simple. Overall, it's a reliable, versatile inspection camera that offers excellent value and performance.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.